This is just to talk about our HR module that we've built into our oil and gas service operations type software. So the goal here is that we can embed an intake form on your website. So when applicants are applying for a particular job, these applicants would then show up within our platform here. They could also upload certifications. They could upload driver's abstracts, copies of insurance, or whatever you might like. So they enter this information and they're set in their role would then be set as an applicant. If they get hired, you can then change their role to an employee. So as you can see here, we've got their name, their address, whether they're active or not, their email address, their cell phone. This is all customizable. It's very easy for us to add specific fields that you might require. Are they opting in for benefits? Working for SafeTech, subcontractor? No. Can work in the following positions. There can be a list of positions that they could work for. All their family details, any medical details here, as well as any medical documents that might be required that could be uploaded. All these menus can be customized for your business. So if there's something here you don't like or don't see that you need, simply let us know. It is very easy for us to add another menu with other fields that you might feel are important in your particular business. So just let us know. This particular company, they got the staff details, next of kin. They wanted drug testing in here, so we put that in as well. So they've got the type of drug test that's being done, the date, whether it's negative or positive, and then a copy of the actual drug test attached as a file. Driver abstracts, same thing. It's just going to be the date, how many demerit points they have, a copy of the driver's abstract, and they do that on a regular basis so they can keep on track of the different driver's abstracts for different folks as well as the different drug tests. Any certifications they might have. So I know there's a whole variety of different certifications in the oil and gas industry. So whatever the certification name is, which you can then define yourself, when it expires, and again, you can upload a copy of the certificate either by scanning to a PDF and uploading, or else you can access this on your mobile device and attach it as take a picture of the document and upload it. Here, this particular client wanted employee reviews, so we add that in. The review date, they wanted a rating between 1 and 30, the position that was being rated, the supervisor's name, and also there's a copy. You can attach a copy. Well, it's not showing here in this, but if we do add employee review, we can actually browse to an actual document. That might be, maybe the review is done in the field on paper, and they can simply take a picture of it and attach it here. Okay, so there's an employee review system in here. And so we've built in a fairly complex, a lot of flexibility in any type of searches you want to do. So you can do a search for names. You might want to do a search for the name, Andrew, and active, they're not active, they are active. Employee rating can be whatever the rating might want to be, 24. I'm not going to put this in because no one's going to show up if I do this. Again, drug tests, test date, any that are negative, driver's abstract, based on certain demerit points, who has demerit points over 20, certification, certification name contains whatever you might want, and expires within whatever date range. So, if you might want to do a search for all the people who are pipe fitters, and maybe they have a particular certificate, and you might want to see who's going to expire in the next 30 days and get a list and send them an email. So pretty powerful searching capabilities, and then you can see the results here. These columns are all customizable. We can add more columns. We can take less away. You just need to let us know what you are looking for. And that's a quick overview of our HR module. Like I said before, it's easy for us to add in additional menus and fields because we realize that every company is a little bit different. So just engage us and ask us tell us what you're looking for, and we'll be more than happy to accommodate you. Thank you.